Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will give you a brief summary of all the optional modules we have to offer on eIMMIGRATION. We hope that by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of all our optional modules to see if they are a great fit for you and all members included in your subscription. Our first module to discuss is Custom Reports. Custom Reports allow you to create your own report with your specific criteria with info from the client profiles, the case profiles, calendar info, and more. We already have standard reports created for you, but with custom reports, you decide the exact information displayed and the exact criteria to pinpoint information. These reports can be created into a PDF, Excel, or HTML document. Also with custom reports, you can schedule to receive these created reports on a daily, weekly, or monthly fashion. Our next optional module is Cloud Storage. With Cloud Storage, you can link up a storage site such as Dropbox, Google Drive, or one of our other selected storage sites, and save important documents through them. It is something to consider if you are planning to upload big files to your client's profiles or cases. Depending on the subscription and users you have, those big files you uploaded directly into eIMMIGRATION can eventually lead you to run into storage limits. With cloud storage, easily upload onto your external cloud storage site, but yet have it easily accessible on the client's profile or their case profile. Our next optional module to choose from is eFile. With eFile, you can auto-populate forms directly into sites like the Department of State, Department of Labor, as well as others, helping you avoid having to type directly on those sites, which kick you out after 5 minutes of inactivity. You can prepare the forms in our system, taking as much time as you want, and once it comes time to submit, you can go into those sites using our eFiler and auto-populate the data. Currently, we have 5 forms that are e-fileable: the DS-156, the DS-160, DS-260, the ETA 9089, and the iCert H-1B. The e-filer is downloaded to your desktop and is only available to use on Windows. But if you have a Mac operating system, no need to worry. We will guide you on how to e-file using a third-party system like Amazon Workspaces, which allows you to use a Mac computer. Our next optional module is Billing. With Billing, have a list of expenses and create invoices anytime you perform a service for your client. These invoices can be emailed to your client, and you can even have the system automatically email a client when creating installment plans. Billing also allows you to create trust accounts for your clients, and you can slowly deduct from that account on invoices. If you do not wish to use our billing, you can opt to link your QUICKBOOKS account with the optional module QUICKBOOKS Integration. With this, you can take your existing QUICKBOOKS account and link it to your eIMMIGRATION account. In doing so, you can send charges from eIMMIGRATION to QUICKBOOKS. You must already have a QUICKBOOKS account created, and it must be the cloud version. If opting to do billing with eIMMIGRATION, consider the optional module Credit Card Processing. With Credit Card Processing, have the ability to apply credit card payments on invoices via linking your LawPay account or Braintree with PayPal. Your clients also have the ability to make payments on their invoices from within the client portal. Payments made via credit card will then appear on your LawPay or PayPal account. Our next optional module is the USCIS Visa Bulletin Times Tracker. The USCIS Visa Bulletin Times Tracker is a helpful feature that alerts you when your client becomes eligible for a USCIS process or if a client's visa number becomes available for petition. The Times Tracker auto-generates a report that is emailed to you as soon as they become available, allowing you to take quick action and not miss out on an opportunity for your client. Our next optional module is Timekeeper. What Timekeeper does is allow you to track how much time you spend on a certain task, such as a phone conversation, a meeting, or any other activity you do concerning doing a service for your client. Even when working on other aspects of the system, the clock continues to run. Then, when you are finished, that time could be stored under a client or case log to help you for your records. Now, if you also choose billing as an optional module, that time can be billed immediately. You could either round up or do exact time of a service, and when making an invoice, that time will give you the exact charge based on your rates for services provided. Accurate time that transforms into accurate billing. Our next optional module is Mail Anywhere. With Mail Anywhere, you can link up your email account so you can save important documents to a client's profile or case profile. Its purpose is to save important emails and not to send out outgoing emails. You can save emails and attachments that are important to your client's case. This eliminates having to search through numerous emails in your email inbox. Once it's in the Documents tab, you can easily access it, saving you time. Our next optional module is messaging. Messaging is an internal communication function that allows you to message your clients and fellow caseworkers that have a profile on eIMMIGRATION. When a message is sent, you will be alerted on the Messages tab in your home page. Also, just like an email, you can CC or BCC people so they can be alerted of a message sent. These messages can then be replied to or forwarded by the recipient.
Our next optional module is SMS notifications. With SMS notifications, you can compose a message in the system for your clients to receive in the format of text message. Your client will receive this message instantly. If signed up to messaging as well, you can also use SMS notifications to alert clients they have messages to review in the client portal. A link will be included in the message taking them there. Our next optional module is Advanced Authentication. With this module, you can enforce stronger sign-in settings to caseworkers by having a two-step login process. They will be required to input a code either emailed to them or sent via SMS notifications. Also, if using Advanced Authentication, you can enable single sign-on with other accounts such as Microsoft or a Google account.
Our next optional module is Conflict of Interest Check. With Conflict of Interest Check, you can now use this tool to run a thorough search in client profiles or case profiles of any clients that can be a possible conflict of interest. Once you insert the names, the system will pull possible matches and you will determine if indeed there is a conflict of interest or not, and apply it to the client's log. The last optional module is Case Initiation Request. With this optional module, an employer can send a request for you to start a case. That way, rather than them having to call or schedule a meeting to alert you to start a case for an employee, they fill out an intake sheet in the client portal. Once submitted, you are notified about the employee and the type of case they want. This is a great feature that saves you time and allows you and the employer to take immediate action on starting a case. This concludes our video on optional modules. We hope that this video gave you a general idea of what each optional module does. Remember, Plan A has one optional module, Plan B has 4 optional modules, and Plan C has all optional modules. Thank you for watching.